What's up, green people of the blue planet Earth? In this video I'm making a 10 scale red brick wall. I'm gonna use it for photographs of my 10 scale figures, and you could use it for that or a diorama background or whatever display piece. The measurements I'm using, it's about 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch for the brick size. I'm just using a piece of red dollar store EVA foam. And I just used a pen that's sharp or pointy, and I poked a bunch of holes. Now you see it opening up really with the heat gun. Once you apply heat, the grooves get bigger, and then it wants to bow and bend with the heat, so I cover it with a bunch of stuff so it stays flat, or it gets flat. It's flat. Alright, now I've done that, I'm gonna make the base layer orange, like old bricks are orange on the inside. Just covering the whole thing. I'm not trying to do a good job or a perfect coat. I think the more kind of shitty you do it, the more realistic it looks, because it's gonna look like it has age. Alright, now I've got a black wash. It's just black acrylic and water. I was gonna try to do that first and then do the red, but I didn't like it, because without sealing the first coat of paint, the black wash just bleeds into it, and that's not what I wanted, so I'm just fixing that up. It'll look like that area got a little more damage when I'm done. Alright, just covering the whole thing with red now. Again, not trying to get perfect. Anywhere orange shows will just look like wear and tear on the old wall. Now that that's done, I'm gonna seal it with a matte clear acrylic. Now that it's sealed, I'm going again with the wash, and it's much better. You get in the cracks and then just wipe it off. Alright, tracing it out, and I'm going to glue it down to the black poster board. I'm using Mod Podge because it's good spreadable, cheap glue. Doing another touch up of the black wash anywhere I missed or think might use a little more. So that's how you make a 10 scale red brick wall. There's some photos. Well, one photo, it's a wall. How many photos do you need? That's Retro Donnie I just finished. That'll be another video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more weekly videos. Peace.